Good morning to all of you. Welcome to my Torts class. In this video, we are going to discuss the synopsis of the MV Act in relation to tort law. That's all. Motor Vehicles Act is a central act which has come into force from 1988 and which has been amended in 2019 very extensively. I can say the act is restructured with amendments in 2019, and the act is meant for public safety. Public safety whenever any motor vehicle is used. What is a motor vehicle? You know, it's a mechanically propelled engine. A vehicle having mechanically propelled engine is called a motor vehicle. Right? This act is extensive act containing 217 sections, but these sections are not sufficient. Therefore, the states, they have formulated the rules. So, MV Act 1988 is there. Basing on that, APMV rules, they were formulated, I can say. So, 486 rules are there covering different topics. Number one, basically, whenever you have to use the vehicle, you must have so-called driving license. Second, the vehicle must have fitness certificate or the book or registration. Third one is, it should be insured properly. Number one, you should have the driving license. Second is insurance. And third one is fitness or registration. These are the most essential things. So, whenever any incident of accident occurs, whenever any person loses his any limb, or whenever any person dies, or whenever any damage is caused to your vehicle even without injury, then you can claim compensation under the MV Act, which is a tortious principle. That is, ubi jus, ibi remedium. Wherever there is a wrong, yes, you have got a right to claim the remedy in the shape of compensation. Of course, the court, here you have to call the court as MVCT, Motor Vehicle Claims Tribunal, which is constituted under section 165 of the MV Act. They will decide the cases of paying compensation by using the multiplier theory. Of course, all these legal jargon may be new to you, but you will be slowly habituated by this 1 week. This course will be for about 1 week or so. I am going to tell you in the class. Then you will be able to understand. So let us have a glimpse at the important sections of the MV Act 1988. The first section is section 3, better you remember. Whenever you want to drive a vehicle, you must have valid driving license, or at least normally you can't become an expert by having license, but you must apply for the LLR, Learner's License Registration. Section 8 deals with that. So the persons who have completed 16 or 18 years of age, depending on the area, then they are eligible to get the driving license as per section 4. Right? Then coming to section 39, it deals with the registration certificate or fitness certificate book, C-book. In normal terms, we call it as C-book. Yes, section 39 deals with there is a necessity for registration of the vehicle. Okay, now, if you don't have, what happens? Definitely they become violations normally. If you please remember the difference between offense and violation. Violation is a simple thing, offense is a serious thing. If you violate the sections, then it is an offense. If you violate the rules, they are all violations, right? So, third one is, most one is important, that is insurance. Please remember, according to section 146 of the MV Act, you must have a insurance for the vehicle. Insurance is of two types. One is comprehensive, that means full insurance. Second is third party. Who is the third party? Please remember, insurer, the person who is the owner of the vehicle, he is called the insurer, first party. Second party, the insurance company which got it registered, insured, it is the second company, because they will indemnify the so-called loss. Third one is third party. He does not have any interest in this insurance. He does not know that insurance is there. But still, if something happens to him, a motorcycle వెళ్తుంటే ఎదుటి మనిషికి ఎవడ దెబ్బ తగిలితే అతనికి థర్డ్ పార్టీ, he will be given so called insurance, third party insurance. So, and normally whenever you sell your vehicle, whenever you purchase a second hand vehicle, according to section 157, you have to get the insurance transferred in your name, otherwise it's become very, very difficult. And section 159, normally it applies to the police. Whenever any accident takes place, they have to give information, accident information report to the concerned court, that is MV Claims Tribunal, right? So these are the basic important sections. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to discuss how to file a case of compensation. With this, I am concluding. Thank you.